Good morning, children. Today I will continue the lesson 2.2 Working Families. Before starting, I want to revise this lesson in short. As I taught you, working families means where both the partners or you can say parents are working for their fulfillment of their needs. Okay? So, in the previous video, I taught you there is a family magazine has interviewed 5 readers about their work, their home and family commitments. So the first person was Chitra. What Chitra said? Chitra said she and her husband working in same place since before marriage and they have 2 children. Sometimes she feels bad because not being able to serve them hot and refreshing food. But again she said, luckily their factory and school not very far from their house. Chitra is saying Chitra is doing all housework and her husband Jagjit likes to do all shopping work and ironing work. So like this they are managing their commitments. Okay. And the next person was Bharti Nagpal. Bharti said she is an accountant at a bank and her husband is a teacher. So he get home before Bharti and prepare the evening meal. And Bharti's mother, who lives near her house, collect her daughter from nursery school and they both are not very interested. Now she is saying, Bharti is saying, they both means both husband and wife are not very interested on doing housework. So now she is getting much salary, so they started paying a woman for housework. That much I taught you in the previous video. Now we have to start with Mamta Sinha. She is 36 years old. Both of our daughters are teenagers now and are a great help looking after grandpa. I work long hours at the hospital where I am a nurse and feel exhausted when I get home. Neeraj is very old fashioned and will never lift a finger to help around the house. He says he does enough driving his bus all day. Fortunately, young Keshav isn't at all like his father and will compete with his elder sisters to see who helps me the most. So, Mamta is saying what she is saying. She has 3 children, 2 daughters and 1 son. And her daughters are teenagers. Teenagers means you can see the meaning here. Persons between 13 and 19 years of age. Again I am repeating. Teenagers means person between 13 and 19 years of age. Okay. So her daughters are teenagers now. Means now they are big enough to look after their grandpa. Grandpa means grandfather. Okay. So now they are big enough to look after their grandpa. Now Mamta is saying she worked long hours at hospital where she worked as a nurse. It means she is a nurse in a hospital. And when she gets home, means when she get back home, she feels exhausted. Exhausted means very tired, too much tired, extremely tired, because full day she work in a hospital. So when she get back home, she feel exhausted because she work all day as a nurse. Now she is saying her husband Neeraj is very old fashioned. Her husband Neeraj is very old fashioned. Old fashioned means a person who believing in old ideas or customs. Okay, so here what she wanted to say is, like earlier only women handle all household chores, and men's looked outside work. Earlier it happens, we all know that. Nowadays all women are working, but earlier it happens. Means women are looking their house and men's are looking outside work. So here she is saying her husband is old fashioned, means he is not doing any work. So here her husband is like this, only old fashioned, and not supporting her in any household work. Why he is not doing any work? Her husband is saying he drives all day. He drives all day. So now he will not do any work. But luckily, now Mamta is saying luckily her son Keshav is not like her husband, and he always wanted to compete with his sisters to see who helps more to their mother. Means her son is not like his father. He always ready to help his mother. Okay, so only she is managing herself. Now the next person is Vinita Goyal. Vinita Goyal is 47 years old. Now see what she is saying. The twins Astha and Anuj are in their last year at school and aren't concerned about being looked after so long as I keep their clothes ready to wear. However, I still have to work hard to balance my duties as a doctor, a housewife, and a mother. Rajesh has his own company, but these days he has the freedom to stay at home when he wants, as he no longer has to work such long hours as he used to. He is actually quite willing to help around the house, but he is totally hopeless at it. So I encourage him to stay out and work in the garden as much as possible. Here, Vinita Goyal, she is 47 years old. What she is saying? She is saying she has twins, Astha and Anuj. And Astha and Anuj, they are in their last year at school. Means they are in their last year in school, means big enough. And then also they are not concerned. Not concerned means worried. They are not worried about their own things. Means they are big enough, but still they are not concerned on their own things. Again I am repeating, concerned means worried. Means her children, twins Astha and Anuj, they are not concerned on anything because their mother Vinita is keeping their clothes ready to wear. Means still they are big enough, then also their mother Vinita keeping their clothes ready to wear. She has to work hard to balance her duties as a doctor, as a mother, and as a wife. Here, what she is saying, she has to work hard. She is a doctor. Then also, she is doing all the work. She has to make balance between as a doctor's duties, as a mother's duties, and as a wife's duties. Now she is saying about her husband. Her husband, Rajesh, earlier he used to do work for long time, but nowadays he is staying at home. And her husband Rajesh has his own company, but because he is now staying at home, he wanted to help her, but he don't know the work. That's why he is hopeless. Hopeless means very bad on doing any work. Hopeless means very bad on doing something. So her husband wanted to do some work, household work, because he is staying at home nowadays. But he is very poor in doing any work. So that's why Vinita told her to do any other work. Encourage him. Encourage means giving support or raising someone. Encourage means raising someone. So Vinita encouraged him to do any other work like gardening. Okay? So like this they are managing their housework and their duties. Now the next person is Tulsi Rawat. She is 29 years old. Tulsi Rawat. My work as a company manager keeps me busy for very long hours, and I frequently have to go away on business trips. I love my work, and for that reason, Gagan decided to stay at home after Anu was born last year. He is very good at looking after the baby and loves the home environment. As he is a copywriter, he can also do some of his work on our home computer. He emails this to his client. He is also quite adept at doing the housework, which he does without complaint. Though occasionally I like to help him to show that I'm still part of the family. Okay, so Tulsi Rawat, she is what? She is 29 years old, and she is a manager in a company. She is a manager in a company, and that's why she keeps busy for long hours in office, and frequently means regularly or most of the time, she has to go away on business trips. She has to go away on business trip, and now she is saying her daughter Anu born. Her daughter Anu born last year, and that's why, because of this, her husband Gagan decided to stay at home because he understood that she has to go out of the city, out of the town sometime. So, because their daughter is very small, that's why Gagan decided to stay at home. Gagan is very good at looking after the baby and love the home environment. Now here, what happened? Now she is saying about Gagan. Gagan is very good at looking after the baby. Means he like all the housework. Now she is saying he loves the home environment. Now she is saying about Gagan. He is a copywriter. Copywriter, you can see the meaning here. Copywriter means a person whose job is to write the matter for advertisement. Again, I am repeating. Copywriter means a person whose job is to write the matter for advertisement. Okay, so Gagan is a copywriter, means he can do his work at home on computer. He is also good at doing difficult work, means he loves to do difficult work. Means like housework is very difficult for men, that's why he loves to do difficult work like housework. Without any complaint, he loves to do all work. Now Tulsi is saying occasionally. Occasionally means sometime only. She helped him to show that. She helped him to show that only she is still a part of their family. Because most of the time she is out of town because of business trip. So for some time, whenever she gets time, she helps her husband just for showing that she is still a part of the family. So in this way, they are managing their life. At the end, we can say that out of these 5 readers, now we can say that out of these 5 readers, 5 ladies, 4 ladies are being helped by their husbands. Jagjit Singh does shopping and ironing. Yogesh Nagpal prepares evening meal and looks after his daughter. Rajesh Goyal helps in gardening. And Gagan Rawat does most of the household work and looks after his baby. Okay, so men are also doing their housework even though they know or they don't know, but they are trying to help their family. So like this way they help to each other. Like this way they are making balance between their family, between their company, between their housework, husband, wife, children's. They are managing and balancing in this way. So now I am going to end this video. I hope you understand this chapter. So we will continue this question answer I will give you in the next PDF. Okay, on Friday I will start next lesson. Thank you.